Previously on Jesse and Jacqueline. Boobies.
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 We had a very interesting conversation on
boobies.
Tits.
Yeah.
You want to put it that way.
This week
on the Jesse and Jacqueline show.
Porno shops! Porno!
We're talking about porno shops. Can we be a porno shop and another topic? Because
you don't want to talk about porno shops?
I'll talk about it. I just don't have a lot to say about it. I don't have.
She'll just get kicked out. Let me just tell you.
If I ever walked into a porn store like Spice Rack down at off of Airport, I think it's located. I'd definitely get kicked out because I would, exhibit A, I would take the sex toys, possibly, sex toys, and I would hide them or put them in places that are not, good to be in.
It's not respectable.
Not respectable, like, I'll sneak behind the counter and just put a big ass dildo there.
It's a big one.
I will de-alphabetize all the DVDs. I will take the fuzzy haircuffs.
Put it on me.
And I walk out of the store with them. I have no problem with stealing. It's a bad thing. Don't ever do it. What's your take on porn stores?
To be honest, I've never been to one yet, even though I said I was going to go to one like a week ago.
But I won't go.
But I want to go, but Jessie is refusing to go with me, and I'm not going to go without her. But I would seriously enjoy myself going to a porno shop.
Would you purchase something at a porno
I would just, I'll push it. I can't, let me tell you guys straight up, I talk way too fast, so bear the fuck with me. You know what? Shut the fuck up. Anyways.
Whatever. Anyways, continue.
I would. That's a very good question, actually. I would definitely.
Would you purchase something, and if you were to purchase, what would your item be?
Well, it's definitely not going to be a dildo. That's just nasty as shit. I can just grab fucking Randy and be like, hey, bitch.
Randy Boomer. Randy
Just kidding.
No.
Oh, you know I'm not lying. Anyways,
is this the end of our topic?
Yes, please. Actually, I didn't even answer my question, but shit, let's end the fucking
topic.
New topic coming next week.
Let's talk about our friends. No, for this video.
Well,
the topic got 2 videos.
Well, it's just because like YouTube, it's just really fucking strict about how long your videos are.
Fuck you, YouTube. Fuck you, YouTube.
We'll be back, part 2 in 2 seconds.